What's up, tartlets? It's Deanna. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be doing a fall themed video. I'm going to do a back to school look with our new Fall Feels collection. And then I'm also going to show you guys some things I picked up from Target, which I think are great for back to school and just the fall in general. I haven't done a full-on Target haul in a while, I think since like the spring. So if you guys want to see a full Target haul, everything that I get when I go to Target on a normal day, because I go there a lot, let me know in the comments down below. I've already done my complexion and my brows, and now I'm going to go in with our new Fall Feels palette. If you guys haven't seen it, here it is. She's beautiful. The packaging is adorable and gives me all the fall feels. So I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Hayride with the side of the brush. Take the shade Hayride, and I'm going to just put it in my crease and blend that out. I'm going to eventually be taking the shade Apple Picking and going all over my lid. So I'm going to take this Fall Feels shades and kind of warm up my crease to be a little bit more monochromatic to that Apple Picking shade. So I started with Hayride, now I'm using Fall Feels, and then I'll put Apple Picking all over my lid. All right, well, my memory card was full when I just did that last look, so it didn't save, but I took the shade Apple Picking and just went along my lid using a flat brush. And then now we're gonna move on to the next step. So I just softened the edges with the shade Homecoming right here, and now I'm going to take the shade Corn Maze and line my lower lash line with it, and then that's pretty much it. Now taking our iconic Lights Camera Lashes mascara in this adorable new packaging, and just going to apply some to my lashes. Now that my eyes are done, I'm just taking this shade Fall Feels in the middle, and I'm going to apply this to the apples of my cheeks. And then I'm topping it off with the shade Cinnamon from our Hygge and Kisses set. Now that our makeup is all set, we are going to get into the clothes that I got from Target, and you'll notice a little bit of a theme. There are lots of comfy, cozy things, so I hope you guys are into that, because I am. So first up, we have this sweatshirt. It says homebody because I'm a homebody. And this is from Fifth Sun. It is super cozy, super warm. I love this. I can pair it with jeans. I can pair it with sweatpants. You can really dress it up if you want. You can add like some layered necklaces. Really adorable and just really casual and cute. I also got this basic hoodie. It's like an off-white color. It's from Universal Threads, and it was $24.99. I love how the bottom is different. It's a little bit more unique than your typical sweatshirt. So I think this also pairs great with jeans and heels even. I love this sweatshirt. I'm going to be living in it this fall. So something that I actually had in mind when buying that sweatshirt were these adorable camo jeans, and these are also by Universal Thread. These were $27.99. I love the style of these. They are a little bit cropped on me. They are called the skinny crop, so I love them. These are very comfortable, true to size, and I think they go great with a hoodie, or I can also dress these up or dress these down. You can also wear those camo jeans with this adorable cream Henley. I feel like these are staples in the winter and in the fall. I like to wear them under sweaters. This one was only $12. And speaking of sweaters, this is something that I saw on the mannequin, and it was one of those things where I was like, I want that whole outfit. So I had that Henley tee with this really comfy sweater. This is also Wild Fable. This was 20 bucks. And it's so cute. I love the sleeves. This is also going to be a staple in my collection this fall. Also from Wild Fable, I found this cute crew neck striped shirt. I think this will go great. It's very casual, but again, another thing that you could dress up if you wanted to. And this was only $10. And last but not least, I found this cute poncho. It's also by Universal Threads, and this was $27.99. I live in ponchos. I feel like I find a good one every year and then I overwear it all year long. So I love this one. I think this is going to be my go-to all fall and winter. And that wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below if you are going back to school or if you are a mom who cannot wait for school to start again. I think these outfits are great if you are going into high school, college, going back to school, but also if you're a mom who's going to be in the carpool line, these are great things you could just throw on. And if you do have to jump out of the car, you still look presentable. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, let me know in the comments down below if you're going back to school or if you are a mom getting ready for back to school. Until next time, tartlets, I'll see you later. Bye.